Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping the problem at its source. Close Premiere and Media Encoder, then back up your project file. This prevents corruption. Next, switch the renderer to Mercury Playback Engine software only. This bypasses GPU driver issues that cause render failed errors. Once done, open Media Encoder Preferences and clear the media cache and database. This removes stale proxies and corrupted cache entries that block encoding. You must act now because cache and GPU conflicts are the most common culprits. Now focus on the complex middle steps that actually fix failures. Disable hardware encoding inside Media Encoder so the app uses CPU encoding. This sidesteps driver incompatibilities. Make sure your GPU drivers are up to date. If the error began after a driver update, roll back to the previous stable version. Also verify sequence and export codec match exactly. Mismatched frame sizes, bit depths, or unsupported profiles often trigger render failures. Adjust settings to native sequence resolution and a standard codec to ensure a clean encode. Finish the process by testing and isolating. Export a short 10-15 second section first. If that succeeds, export the full timeline. If errors persist, create a brand new project and import your sequence. This removes hidden project corruption. Run Media Encoder as administrator and temporarily disable third-party plugins since they can inject faults during render. If you still hit render failed, the single-key troubleshooting tip is to switch to software encoding and test a tiny clip. It reveals whether the issue is...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.